I love reading, I love fantasy movies, and one of the things that would catch your eyes are the accessories. And why macrame? I'm not sure. I just happened to look at it, and I thought that I wanted really something, a hobby, and I've always been a hobbyist. And what I really want was something that I could express my interest. I've been following Kabilin Center. I just saw it and I said, okay, let's try, because it said it's related to fashion or crafts. I thought I would not be selected because most of the themes that I saw was for fashion. And I'm just glad that they selected my piece and gave me a place in the mentee program. The most influential would be Oscar and Father Jason, because he was really challenging everyone to come up with a story and everything. And when I joined it, it's when I realized that, oh, this is the formal process. And it's like defending your thesis and everything. It was so hard, but one thing I realized is that there's really a lot of effort, and it's the first time that I made this kind of effort for something that I made. I got the inspiration to tell myself, why don't I do something also? The rawness of the pre-colonial exhibit or the items in Steve's exhibit. So I started reading about that, and then a few weeks ago there was an eclipse, and so I got into reading what the pre-colonial Filipinos would believe about eclipse, and then decided to do this Bakunawa concept. It's really a great challenge how to come up with a story. When they see the pieces that I've made, they will see, oh yeah, really, this is about this Bakunawa eating 7 moons. I'm really, really thankful that we're given this opportunity. I think a lot of us would really benefit from it. I get to realize there are a lot of creative people, and I just really need to be encouraged by this type of program. My name is Pamela Amistad, and I'm one of the mentees for the Kasaulogan Program of the Kabilin Center.